Good morning. I am Dr. M. Jayaraman, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Mathematics, Raja Durasingam Government Arts College, Sivangai. Today, my topic is here singularities of analytic function in the subject of complex analysis. First, I explain to the singularities of analytic function. First, I explain to the regular point. Let f be defined in D and z0 be the interior point in D. We say f is a regular at z0 or equivalently z0 is a regular point of a f. If there exists delta greater than 0 such that f dash of z exists for all z belongs to modulus of z minus z0 less than delta. This is one of the regular point. Another one of the regular point theorems only. And next I explain to the analytic function. F is said to be analytic in capital D if it is a regular at every point of D. The two results are there. If f is analytic in an open disk around z0, then we say that f is analytic at z0. That is, if z0 is a regular point of f, then we say that f is an analytic at z0. Another one condition, f is defined on capital D where D is open and connected, then f is analytic on D if and only if f is differentiable at every point of D. Singularity. Let f be defined on D, then a limit point of the set of regular points of f is defined as singular point if it is not regular itself. This one of the examples are given, and the next one is a classification of the singular points. Classification means this is one of the isolated singularity. The definition of isolated singularity, let z0 belongs to S, that is a singular point is called an isolated singularity if there exists delta greater than 0 such that f is a regular in z mapping 0 less than modulus of z minus z0 less than delta. One examples are given. Which implies 0 is not a isolated singularity, first of all. Second example is isolated singularity. F of z equal to exponential of 1 by z as a isolated singularity at z equal to 0. The next one is non-isolated singularities. The limit point of S are called as non-isolated singularities. This example are given. This f of z equal to log z. First day. Another one of the examples, f of z equal to 1 divided by sin pi by z. Third one of the example is here, f of z equal to 1 divided by sin pi z. And examples are given. This is one of the first examples, isolated singularity examples. Let f of z equal to sin z. This which implies f of z as a isolated singularity at z0. This another one is a example, f of z equal to 1 divided by sin z minus cos z. It has an infinite number of singularity which are at the point n pi plus pi by 4. And infinity is non-isolated singularities. Next topic is a removable singularity. This one of the a point z0 belongs to S of S dash is said to be a removable singularity if limit of z tends to z0, f of z exists finitely where f is defined in z mapping 0 less than modulus of z minus z0 less than delta for some delta greater than 0. Another one of the theorem is a Riemann removable singularity theorems. This one of the conditions are there. Let f be analytic in a deleted neighborhood z mapping 0 less than modulus of z minus z naught less than delta of z naught. Then the following conditions are equivalent. The first condition is the point z naught is a removable singularity of f. Second one is a limit of z tends to z naught f of z into z minus z naught equal to 0. Third one is there exists r greater than 0 such that f is bounded in z mapping 0 less than modulus of z minus z naught less than r. Fourth condition is the function f can be analytic extended to z naught. That is, if we can define f of z naught such that f becomes analytic in z mapping modulus of z minus z naught less than delta. This one of the 4 examples are given. All the examples has a removable singularity at z naught z equal to 0. This is another one of the topic in pole. Let z naught belongs to S and the limit of z tends to z naught f of z does not exist. Then z naught is called a pole of order m. For some positive integer m, if limit of z tends to z naught z minus z naught whole power of m into f of z exists and is non-zero. The two results are given. This first one is a if f has an isolated singularity at z naught, then f of z has a pole at z naught. If and only if limit of z tends to z naught f of z equal to infinity. The second result is if f is analytic in deleted neighborhood of z naught, then if f has a pole of order n at z naught, then z minus z naught whole power of n f of z has a removable singularity at z naught. That is, limit of z tends to z naught z minus z naught whole power of n plus 1 in f of z equal to 0. Continuously 3 examples are given. This one of the first is the f of z equal to 1 by z is a pole of order is 1 is a symbol poles. Poles of order 1 are called a symbol poles. Second example is a f of z equal to sin z divided by z cube has a pole of order 2 at z equal to 0. Third one is a f of z equal to cos z divided by z cube has a pole of order 3 at z equal to 0. Next one is a zeros of analytic function. Let f is an analytic f of z not equal to 0 in an open set D, then z naught belongs to D is said to be an 0 of order m if f of z equal to f dash of z naught equal to capital of L equal to f power m minus 1 of z naught equal to 0 and f power m of z naught not equal to 0. This one of the examples given. This one of the first example is f of z equal to z into sin z. Then f of z is analytic on E. Now f of 0 equal to put z equal to 0, the sin z into z 0 value is 0 and the derivative is f dash of z equal to f of z equal to z into sin z. But the derivative is f dash of z is a first uv formulas z into cos z plus sin z. Apply the 0 of z equal to 0, f dash of 0 equal to 0 and next derivatives of f double dash of z equal to this one of the minus z into sin z plus 2 cos z. You put in the z equal to 0 which implies f double dash of 0 equal to 2 not equal to 0. Hence f as a zeros of order 2 at z equal to 0. This one of the 2 examples are given. One is a f of z is if z equal e power 1 by z has a essential singularity of z equal to 0. Another one of the example is already given, this one of the value, and this one of the entire function, this one of the all the conditions are given, and examples, this one of the some examples given. Next one is a result of analyticity. This one of the result are given. Let f be an analytic function defined on a domain D. Then the conditions are given. The first is a f dash of z equal to 0 for all z belongs to D. Then f is a constant. Another one is a f of z equal to u plus iv. If any u and v constant, then f is a constant. This one of the given that. And third one is a condition. Third one of the result, already this one of the given. And fourth result is this one of the fourth and fifth result, and give the some examples are given. This one is a let f of z equal to x square plus y square plus 2xyi. This u is not a harmonic, then f is an not analytic. And another two examples are there. Another one of the method, analytic function method, is a three methods are given. The first method is a Milne-Thomson method. The three methods, first method is that using this method, using the Cauchy-Riemann equation, the integral is f of z equal to integral of psi 1 of z comma 0 plus I into psi 2 of z comma 0 into dz plus c. This where psi 1 equal to dou v by dou y, psi 2 equal to dou v by dou x. Method 2 is a another one of the method. This another one of the method is third method is using to the CR equations and apply the Laplace equation. One example is explained to the one examples. Find the analytic function f equal to u plus iv, of which the real part of u equal to e power x into cos y minus y into sin y. This is using the first method, Milne-Thomson method. This one of the u, let u equal to e power x into cos y minus y into sin y. Apply the using the formula first order derivatives, dou u by dou x. This one of the values are given. Another one is the dou u by dou y. Another value is given. Is dou u by dou y. Y put in y equal to 0. This one of the value is e power x into x plus 1. Dou u by dou y at y equal to 0. This one of the value, apply that. This one of the pi 1 of x comma 0 equal to e power x into x plus 1. Pi 2 of x comma y equal to, this one of the value is 0. Apply the value f of z. F of z equal to, this one of the formula is a using the method. This one of the, therefore f of z equal to z into e power x plus c. This first method is explained. You see the second and third methods. The answer is same, values are given. This is one of the PG students very useful of these singularities and analytic functions and poles, orders, very useful of this way. And this using to this method is in net set coachings very useful. Thank you.